SmartBook 2.0 helps students focus study time, emphasize central topics, and test their understanding. It highlights important concepts in the current reading and presents questions to practice what they've learned. SmartBook is an adaptive learning tool, meaning it adjusts based on the student's responses, determining which concepts they have learned, and identifying any gaps in their understanding. Let's take a look at using SmartBook 2.0 and assigning it to your students. SmartBook tiles appear as resources in each chapter or module. Quickly assign it as is by selecting the Assign button and filling out the Quick Assign pop-up. To customize an assignment, select the Create Assignment button on the Assignments page and select the SmartBook 2.0 assignment type. You have the option of assigning a specific chapter or module as a new assignment or selecting several as a review assignment, such as in the review for a test. Select the assignment type and then select the Continue button. Select the chapter or module to assign and then select Continue. The next screen lists the concepts covered in the selected text and the estimated time spent on each. All concepts are selected by default. Choose the concepts that will or will not be covered by selecting the checkboxes. Adjust the slider under the assignment summary to adjust the total amount of time spent on the assignment. Select Continue. SmartBook 2.0 is attached to the assignment as a resource. Enter the assignment settings. Please note that you can determine if this is a graded or ungraded assignment. If you choose graded, you must enter a number of points. Extra credit is not available for this type of assignment. Select the Assign button to assign to your students. The assignment appears in your student's assignment list, as well as the dashboard calendar. Please note that your students can access SmartBook assignments on their tablet or phone using the ReadAnywere mobile app. When your students open SmartBook, the first screen gives the due date, the expected duration of the activity, and the number of concepts covered. At the bottom, they have the option of starting with the reading or starting with the questions. In the reading portion, SmartBook presents the same text as found in the Student Edition. Yellow highlights present the important points to take away from the reading. Use the navigation arrows to page through the material. Use the arrows at the top to move to the next concept. If you exit the assignment, SmartBook will save your place, so you can continue from that point when you return. You can access the questions by selecting the button at the bottom of the page. The questions come from the reading and help students practice their knowledge. When answering the questions, they have the option to select the link to learn more about it. When they are ready to submit, they indicate how confident they are in their answer. Students find out immediately if they answered correctly or not, along with the correct answer and the reasons behind it. When they have answered all the questions and select Complete Assignment, the final screen will show their progress, the number of questions they answered correctly, and a list of concepts they found most challenging. In a SmartBook assignment, a student must answer all the questions by the due date to complete the assignment. They receive 100% whether they answered the questions right or wrong. When the assignment has been submitted, you can access student scores in the assignments list or the gradebook. You can adjust their scores manually and add comments for the student. On the Assignment Overview page, select View Assignment Report to view the results. You can see information about your class as a whole or for an individual student. SmartBook 2.0 also allows students to recharge with the assignment. In other words, to practice the concepts they don't feel comfortable with. They can select Start Recharge on any completed SmartBook assignment. You can also assign the chapter or module again as a review. In a recharge, in addition to yellow highlights for important concepts, the reading includes blue highlights, which indicate deeper learning concepts. The SmartBook 2.0 algorithm adds questions in the practice that focus on the concepts a student needs more help with. Students can recharge and review an assignment as many times as they wish. This concludes our look at SmartBook 2.0. Be sure to look at other help materials for more information.